Alright guys, I'm Rob. We're here at Cookevillervandmarine, and behind me is the brand new floor plan for Wolf Pups. It's the 16LP. Let's check it out. So on the front cap of the 16LP, you're going to notice 20-pound propane bottle, battery tray behind that, manual crank jack that will allow you to run it with a drill. They call it the quick drop. LCI put in a quick drop hitch for you. That's really nice. Really nice front cap, really clean lines on it. Let's check out the camping side though. So on the camping side, first thing up, you get a really nice storage unit on the 16LP. You can see that it passed through to the living area, so you can slide in from the living area or you can come in from this side. Hot water heaters on the other side behind the panel in there, but really nice space to put some of your larger items in this 16LP. I really like that storage unit. You get a really nice awning. So you know, 3/4 of the way of the length of the camper, we have an awning, which is really nice. So everyone wants to be able to be in the shade. You get a pretty nice awning to be able to do so. Really clean door. They've kind of cleaned it up, gone away from the glass doors and gone kind of to a decorative solid door. Really like that. Fold out steps, TV mount, plug up for your outside entertainment. Really nice, clean camping side. Let's check out the other side. So coming down the camping side, really easy layout on this guy. So you get a 6-gallon electric hot water heater up here with Suburban. You get your water hookups and your gravity fill for your fresh water tank right here. Really convenient located. You got your low point drains, and then on the back side you get your clean out for your black and gray tanks. Plug up for the camper, a 30-amp camper. You get a 25-foot cord, but really easy because it's located right in the middle. So whether you're going plugging up in the front or plugging up in the back, it splits that for you, so you can go either way pretty easy on this guy. And then coming around to the back, of course, you get a sewer hose holder bumper, which is everybody's favorite thing, you know, being able to store your sewer hose in your bumper. And then a really clean back side, so you could do a lot with this guy. Let's check out what everybody wants to see, and that's the inside. So coming in the entry door to your 16LP, on the side here, of course, we're going to have our 12-volt awning controls in and out. Really convenient on the side here. You get your black gray fresh battery level push button there. Your hot water heater turns on here, and also your water pump turns on here. So all that's conveniently located right on the side coming in the camper. One thing really nice about the lights in the 16LP is that they're all just push buttons, so you can have as many or as few of lights you want on at the same time. So it's really nice. Just go through and you can just push button them all on or off if you want that. Get a really nice cabinet over the sink. You're going to be able to store everything you want to store, pots, pans, even up there if you wanted to, but really big box. And then one thing the LP does for you is they give you under the sink storage. So you can see this one goes all the way to the floor, and then you've got this pass-through cabinet underneath the sink here to put any kind of chemicals you want to put, or maybe a little trash can underneath there too, since that one goes all the way to the floor. Coming forward, of course, you got a camper queen bed in this. So queen width, camper queen length. You get a little tray at the head of the bed to put your phones or drinks at night or whatever you need, alarm clocks, but really clean. And then look at this open cabinetry over the bed. So anything we want to just throw up, you know, up out of the way, we can do that on this shelf, which is really nice. You get a little bit of storage underneath these seats. This does make a bed in case you want to, in case your friends bring friends, right? So you got an extra bed for them, and then another big overhead storage compartment on this side of the camper as well. So lots of storage in this little camper. Really nice. Now let's check out the back. So behind your dinettes, guys, you're going to get a twin over twin bed. These are actually long twins, so you can, you know, the longest of your long kids, the tallest I guess rather, can sleep on this pretty easy. Really comfortable, really easy to get up. The back of the dinette actually acts as your step. That's why this is padded all the way around. So for whoever wants to get on top, it's just jumping up there basically. Really nice. On the side, you can see you've got clean walls all the way around, so there's no problem with them putting anything up there with them. Nothing's going to fall off. It's really nice little cubby spot for them. You get a 12-volt refrigerator. 12-volt refrigerator with a electric microwave up on top. This is a good size microwave for this unit too. So you get more of a residential size microwave in this. And then you get a 2-burner stovetop in the LP, which is really nice. Something that the EV doesn't offer, the LP does. So you get a 2-burner stovetop in this guy. We can run that, and then of course directly below that your furnace. That's also something the EV don't have. You're subbing a electric fireplace for a furnace, which if you're going to take this thing off grid, or if you're going to stay in those colder climates, that's going to help you do so with that furnace. Really nice sink, kind of a farmhouse style sink with that gooseneck faucet on that. And then of course you got your hand pump for your soap on there as well. Now let's check out the bathroom. Guys, in this 16LP, you're going to get Furrion's brand new air conditioner. It is a cylinder controlled AC, but really nice. It does have that optional heat strip if you want to add that. But really, really nice AC. Furrion's doing some really cool things with their air conditioners, and this one's really nice. So in the bathroom, you can see pretty simple but effective. You get a really clean toilet kind of in the middle, plenty of room around that guy, and then of course you got your stand-up shower, and the curtain kind of does that bend for you, so you're able to get a little bit more room in that shower there. I really like the bathroom in this 16LP. So if you're interested in this 16LP Wolf Pup or any other Wolf Pups or campers for that matter, come check us out. We're a family-owned dealership. We're not like those big corporate guys. So, come in, visit with us. Let us make you part of the family. Or you could call us, shoot us a text, visit us online at Cookeville RV, and don't forget to like and subscribe.